Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to stream music via Wi-Fi on JBL Authentics 200. To stream music via Wi-Fi, first download JBL One app and configure it and connect to the speaker, and after connecting to the speaker, when it's online, you can just, on an iPhone, slide down from the top right part of your screen, then press and hold here on the player, click on AirPlay button and connect to the speaker like that. If you want to disconnect, click on the iPhone. To do it on an Android, take your Android phone and first go to the service you want to play music on, for example YouTube. Then click here on the cast icon. First make sure you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. I am to the same as this speaker. And then click on this Chromecast icon and the device should show up here. Then you will be able to click on it and connect to it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.